61 is the natural number following 60 and preceding 62. In mathematics, it is the 18th prime number. The previous is 59, with which it comprises a twin prime. 61 is a Cuban prime of the form p equals x3 minus y3, x minus y, where x equals y plus 1. 61 is the smallest proper prime, a prime p which ends in the digit 1 inch base 10 and whose reciprocal in base 10 has a repeating sequence with length p minus 1. In such primes, each digit 0, 1, 9 appears in the repeating sequence the same number of times as does each other digit. 61 is 9th Mersenne prime exponent. 61 is the sum of two squares 52 plus 62, and it is also a centered square number, a centered hexagonal number and a centered decagonal number. It is the sixth Euler zigzag number. In base 14, 61 is a unique prime since no other prime has a six-digit period in base 14. Since 8 plus 1 is divisible by 61, but 61 is not one more than a multiple of 8. 61 is a Pali prime. In the list of fortunate numbers, 61 occurs thrice, since adding 61 to either the 10th, 12th or 17th primorial gives a prime number. It is also a Keith number, because it recurs in a Fibonacci-like sequence started from its base 10 digits. 6, 1, 7, 8, 15, 23, 38, 61. In science, the chemical element with the atomic number 61, a lanthanide, is the element with the secondary lowest ordinal number that does not possess any stable isotopes. The promethium preceding element with atomic number 60 and the promethium following element 62 have all stable isotopes. Astronomy Messier object M61, a magnitude 10.5 galaxy in the constellation Virgo. The New General Catalogue object NGC 61, a double spiral galaxy in the constellation Pisces. The Saros number of the solar eclipse series, which began on -973 May 10 and ended on 289 June 5. The duration of Saros series 61 was 1262.1 years, and it contained 71 solar eclipses. The Saros number of the lunar eclipse series, which began on -870 October 20 and ended on 609 March 26. The duration of Saros series 61 was 1478.4 years, and it contained 83 lunar eclipses. 61 Ursa Majoris is located about 31.1 light-years from Sol. 61 Cygni was christened the Flying Star in 1792 by Giuseppe Piazzi for its unusually large proper motion. In other fields, 61 is the number of the French department Orne, the code for international direct dial phone calls to Australia. 61 *, a 2001 baseball movie directed by Billy Crystal. Highway 61 Revisited is a Bob Dylan album. The Highway 61 Blues Festival occurs annually in Leland, Mississippi. Highway 61 is a 1991 film set on U.S. Route 61. U.S. Route 61 is the highway that inspired so much attention on Highway 61. Part 61 is a law created by the FAA regarding medical exams. This law has often come under attack by AOPA. The P-61 is the Northrop-designed fighter first designated as the XP-61. It first flew on May 26, 1942. It is also known as the Black Widow as it was the first fighter aircraft designed to be a night fighter. 61 brand tobacco produced by Nationwide Tobacco. 61A is the London address of Margot Wendis and Tony Wendis in the movie Dial M for Murder. 1 Liberty Place is Philadelphia's tallest building at 61 stories. The number of Citadel cadets on the Summerall Guards. The number of points required to win a standard game of cribbage. The maximum number of tables that can be joined in a single Myriad or MySQL query. In sports, New York Yankees right fielder Roger Maris hit 61 home runs in 1961, breaking Babe Ruth's single-season record until it was surpassed in 1998 by Mark McGwire and Sammy Sosa. Nolan Ryan and Tom Seaver each had 61 career shutouts. Hockey great Wayne Gretzky holds or shares 61 NHL records. Rotation, a variation of pool, is sometimes called 61. Richie Evans's NASCAR Well-In modified tour car number was 61 until his death in 1985.